Okay, so these are some deer ribs, and the neighbor gave them to us, and I like grilling. If anyone don't know it, I like cooking. I love cooking, actually. And I put these on a grill, and also the thumbnail is what they actually look like on the grill. Pretty windy today, so had to fight ashes. But anyway, I took some hickory, some old hickory from the woods, and took that and put that in there and got it hot. Maybe some coals, a little tough here, and I mean it's not bad. I mean it breaks. It actually chewable. I mean, it tastes good. But I put some brown sugar barbecue sauce on it. And they smell sweet. They're good. They taste good. Left them on there. I don't know how long. I'll basically cook on one side of the grill. I'll have my fire on one side. The other side, I'll put it there, and I'll open the vents on the one side and close the other side of the vent, and that will put the heat across the top and cook them all good. I just put a light coat of barbecue sauce on it, and yeah, it's pretty good. There's not much on deer ribs or any ribs, but I wanted to do that. I like cooking, so that's what I do. I love it.